medical costs within their existing benefit. And three,
You also function as a contact person for confined clients through Marty's corporate account enrolled under the group hospitalization program.
so si Richard po, sa Tagalog, ay isang liaison officer supervisor. Ang natatawan nila is yung kliyente na sa Asian Life, pag napapanfine or something, siya yung ipag-arrange at making sure that the customer is well treated through the hospital. Diba? Then he also handles and coordinates with yung mga medical representatives, medical doctors, ano ba. So, siya yung frontliner ng Asian Life sa ganung bagay. So, nasa si Richard? Richard, are you here?
Or Coco for short.
Richard, there you go.
Come here, Coco. Coco ba? O Coco. Coco party now.
Hindi naman namin kami interview, nakapayuwi ka lang namin dito dahil wala kami magawa sa gitna. Ano naman? Richard, si Richard po, palapakan natin. First family. The second one. The second one is Maria Janice G. Ang. Maria Janice G. Ang is